Hello, everybody, and welcome to Garten, a banban. This is a game that is popular. Also, I will be playing Garten Banban too soon. But let's just load up a new game and get into it. Ooh, what's this? For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click on the clock to advance time. Okay. What's it? Nah, bro, do you got poop stains on you? Oh. Guess the power ran out, guys. Freddy's coming for us. Up, down, up, down. Sorry, I had to copy Corey. Okay. Eat and interact with love. Jumbo just says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Man, ain't nobody gotta eat your vegetables. What's the Stinger Flynn? Having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Cool, where's the belts at? How do you got vending machines with nothing in them? Chips around? Okay. Who the frick all y'all? I know this Jumbo Josh and that's Stinger Flynn. You're probably... Yeah, you're Banban. I don't know any of you other ones. Is there anything? Oh, what's this? Okay, what does that do? Does it go here? No, because it's not. Oh, is it? Okay, because. It's got. Give me the direct. Oh, I get the stupid remote. Man, ain't nobody want this remote toy. 2 batteries. 2 battery on police officers. Dear Mommy, I'm hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Dang, bro. Dang, bro, I feel you there. I feel you there. Also, isn't that monster like that one bird that we seen on the wall? Yeah, that chick. No pun intended. So, they're probably like back here or something. No? Okay, not going up there. So, I wasn't there before. Is there things in the sea? There you go. Okay. So, wait, now what do I do? Oh, what the f... Hello there. Bro, is this an NPC? Left mouse button? Oh. That's cool. What was that? Oh, okay, controls. Is there anything like new? No, okay. Got it. So wait, what do I do with this? Do I like hit the buttons with the drone? Oh, I guess so. Hey yo! Do a flip! Hey yo, hey there, shawty! Where all the other girls at? Or not. Yellow glass. Isn't that like pea glass? Why do I need to break that? I can just go around here. No, I can't drive it right there. Here. What? Why are the glass shards so big? Okay, what do I do? What's this? I can't open it. Oh, I can open it. Drone? Oh, why are you over there? Get your, okay, there. I swear to God, if this chick appears up again, I'ma shove my... Why is it right here? Also, yes, I did hear about the secret egg thing over there. I'm gonna do that. What do I do? Why is there eggs everywhere? Why is there an egg? The Pila bird mission. Pila bird is... Oh, okay, feed her the eggs. I'll feed her my eggs. I'm sorry. Okay, I saw one over here. God, there's one right here. There's something up here. Yes, there is. Anything under here? Ooh. Okay, what's that do? Anything up here? Oh, something right there. No. Hit that, hit that, hit that. I'm going inside. What's happening? Egg! Here's that egg. Alright. Yeah, it's never over here. I'm clicking E, bro. Okay, thank you. Is that all of them? I think that's 6. Yeah, it's 6. It's 69, bro. Why is your... Hold up. Why is your voice up? Why is you gulping it down like that, bro? No, bro, literally saying gulp, 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 gulp. That. You don't deserve that. Like, I'll shove my drone up your mouth. Hey, yo, drone, get over here. Hey, yo, drone, get in there. Yellow this guy. Bonk. Okay, what do I use that on? Oh yeah, this. Yeah, there we go. This game's easy, bro. Is there not even a monster? Melanie, what's this? Distraction at 1. What? Okay, I got a hammer. I'm expecting that I can hit her head. Oh no, I have to do this. Space the jump. Okay, what? Emergency stop, stop. Oh, there's a button over here. Deceit. It's a carnival ride, guys. Whee! What was my oh, come on, stuff about color. I'm colorblind, bro, and y'all know it. Okay, they maybe don't know it. What's this? I alone. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone had party without me. Miss Mason, see me but go. Yeah, I am scared, and because Hole is loud and my friends scream in it. Hey, but bird, it is funny. Dang, bro, like it or not, he's been fat. Cut up. Hey, DJ, drop a beat. No? Okay, whatever. Actually, I'm not gonna embarrass myself like that. Although, hey, Hey, someone link a rap video in the comments of that. Okay, you're red, so you're white. Wait, is it a oh my god. They made it a white girl. It's a white girl, bro. Is that white? That's white, I think. You are green. You're pink. No, wait, that's green. That's orange. That's green. That's... what? No, wait, that's white. I messed your color up. I think you were blue. And then you were orange. Hey, I did it somehow. What's this? What? Oh, is it coming back for me? What the fuck? Ma'am? What in the... Excuse me, sir? I'm gonna have to see your ID. What is that? Bro, how the, don't, what the, oh shoot, button. What the frick you getting so close? What? Oh, wait. No, I missed. I thought that would like drop a brick on the bird's head. It reincarnated. Excuse me. Oh wait, I forgot about the secret egg thing. Yeah, whatever. I'll do that next time. Okay, bro. Let's get over here. Don't. Okay. Drone over here. Unlock it. There. Go. Go. Hit it. Hit it. What are you doing? Go. The bird's right there. Shoot. Oh my god. You alright down there? Shuddy? Baby? You good? No? Yeah, look for her. She wasn't even hot. Let's go, Jerome. So wait, what do I even get? What'd I even get? What's down here? Bambolina. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. What? Captain Fiddles. Ooga booga. Booga ooga. We're acting like a monkey. Bam. Sharing is caring. And what yours is mine. What? What's yours is mine? What do you mean about that? So, can I go in? No. Can I go in here? Yes. Alright, what now? So what? Anything I can do? Aha! Sneaky little boy. Sir. What happened? Turn on Martha. Wait, is the exit open? Is the exit open? No. What's this? For you. Sounds like a normal day. What the frick? Nah, bro. I don't wanna be here. I don't wanna. Oh, did that unlock? Okay, that unlocked. Now that. So, now, did the floor just. Hold up. What? What? Excuse me? What the floor done turned into a whole bro. What the frick? Yo, drone, come with me. Come on, drone. Drone? You coming? Drone? I can't click. Drone, wait, I don't want to leave you, bro. I don't want to leave you. You were my only friend during this. If that bird's still alive, go kill it. Go finish it off, bro. Oh, what the? Wait, did we stop? We stopped. Whoa, what's going on? What's going on, bro? What the? Jumbo gosh. Hold up. I thought you were just painting this wall. And to this day, we're still searching for Jumbo Josh and Carl. They haven't returned in over 5 months. Send help, please. Nah, I'm just kidding. Well, that's all for Garten of Banban. Garten of Banban 2 it's coming soon on the channel, okay? It's just not my top priority, but it'll be here eventually. I'll also do 3 when it comes out. But without further ado, that's it, guys. I'll see you guys later.